Remember we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
So dam le pikem vo into he paberin parcel courier min order saka inge ni kan shilawa enang inge ni ang vo into bon le don't cook me. Am I breaking it? Got the tiam on le inge enang wow. Hey inge wow. Okay, kan lau hong chanang. This is so exciting. Thank you, baby. Thank you to my husband. Okay, we can open. How do I open? Oh, here there's. Oh my God, Papa, he's so tiny. Oh, my husband is the best. Oops. Thâu về yeah. Oh my God, they have the instruction here and they got instruction how can he tiang mi ang hian can set up khang I don't ta hi lai mi ang hian mo Jonin. Wow, what will be this? Must be the wire on chom sang sang te eng jong jong hine eng ni pok la she big jong lawa Jonin a box stay sial topa Jonin hinge leo. Let's see what it is. We go van nim tak okay te yang kha adin na ang si kha the stand, right? This one like it's gonna stack camera stand kan nei to box so kan video nal thei do ne John. Oh my God, what should I do? I don't know. Woohoo, ana lot tok ka ti thiam box silo. Maybe I do with you, baby. Pause it. Pa hey lai te hi camera na te ka hi lai control na zong zong kha vekta chuanin he a battery zate battery a charger ni vengi don hi. This must be the charger or something, right? Because they're using battery. You can see the battery here, right, baby? Do you think so? And chuan hengi control na vel camera kan va control na vel ve kan ta chuanin hi a lock ania te khan a the theya bo ma da do khan lok kha phel do khan te hian phelanga chuanin ti dam pok la thiam bak lo te khan in lock back le. Oh my God, chuan hi stand kha va do chuan te khan na ui sial to a tau to pa hi India chuan sangla man vel bor niang karing chuan hi sial don. I'm so happy. Thank you, Jonin. Kan video lai te point he a control na he tang lai hi om vek ni chu sial tok chuan he mi tira. Hey, if I press this one it go around like he lo mit tai la ki hi che charger ni chu hey. Oh my God, it's so cool. It makes me so happy. Kalom lo tok. My husband, thank you so much, baby. Kalom lo tok Jonin ka mangai che ka mangai vek chau invite khanin chuanin kan next vlog a chak time hulenga ui kan on camera nei stand to no sa ta kan ti fe lang mo ui ha fakna ni rongot me ni kalom tok chom bye bye vek le enough.